Welcome to 1Place PostgreSQL Server Monitoring and Log Analytics Solutions. This can be installed in AWS, Azure, GCP, OCI, and public cloud environments. As part of the deployment of this solution, you need to install 1Place Monitoring Stack.
Step 1. Log in. Begin by logging into the application using your provided credentials.
Step 2. Explore the navigation bar. Once logged in, you'll see a full list of functionalities in the navigation bar, including options like Dashboard, Setup, and more. Step 4. Select target servers and applications from the list of applications. Use the drop-downs to choose target servers. Once you submit the request, the installation starts. If any of these software are already installed, then it will bypass the installation of specific product and will proceed to next one. Once the product is installed, you can click on Summary button, which will give you a summary of the installation completed. It will show you version of the product installed, status and location where it is installed on the server. Now we can proceed to installation and configuration part of Windows Exporter. Please note, this should be configured on target machine. Step 1. Set up and configure the 1Place Postgres exporter on the target PostgreSQL server. Step 2. Configure the 1Place Postgres exporter service, then start the service to ensure it is active running. Step 3. Configure the firewall to allow the necessary port for the 1Place Postgres exporter service on the target server. Step 4. Use curl to test and confirm that metrics are being pulled and listed by the 1Place Postgres exporter on the target server. Step 5. Configure Prometheus on the monitoring server to collect metrics from the target server by updating its configuration. Step 6. Verify the metrics in Prometheus using the browser interface to ensure the logs are being collected successfully. Log in with your provided credentials. Step 7. Navigate to the Data Sources section. Add the PostgreSQL data source, and configure the database connectivity for the PostgreSQL server in the Grafana portal. Step 8. Establish connectivity between Prometheus and Grafana by adding Prometheus data source. Navigate to the Data Sources section. Add and configure the Prometheus data source. Step 9. In Grafana Dashboard, click New, import and upload the PostgreSQL JSON file. Provide the required connection details and click Import. Now, you can see the interactive dashboard, where you can customize and visualize data to suit your specific requirements. Let's walk through the process of setting up FileBeat for PostgreSQL monitoring in the ELK stack. Step 1. Verify that FileBeat is installed on the target host. Step 2. Enable logging in PostgreSQL by first checking the service status using the command systemctl status PostgreSQL. Step 3. Edit the PostgreSQL configuration YML file to enable logging. Update parameters like log_directory equals log and log_statement equals all in the PostgreSQL configuration file. Step 4. Restart the PostgreSQL service to apply the logging changes. Use the commands systemctl restart PostgreSQL and verify the status with systemctl status PostgreSQL. Step 5. Configure FileBeat by opening its configuration file vim/etc/filebeat/filebeat.iml. Set up the Elasticsearch and Kibana connections by specifying the hosts, certificate paths, and credentials. Step 6. Next, edit the PostgreSQL module configuration file in FileBeat. Update the log paths to point to the PostgreSQL log directory, typically /var/log/PostgreSQL/**log. Step 6. Next, edit the PostgreSQL module configuration file in FileBeat. Update the log paths to point to the PostgreSQL log directory, typically /var/log/PostgreSQL/**log. Step 9. Once everything is set up, navigate to the Elasticsearch web interface. Go to the Discover section in Kibana and select the FileBeat index pattern to view PostgreSQL logs streaming into Elasticsearch. Step 10. Visit the Dashboards section in Kibana to explore pre-built PostgreSQL dashboards. Dashboards like FileBeat PostgreSQL Overview ECS provide insights into PostgreSQL activity. Query Duration Overview ECS help query analyze query performance. Step 11. Finally, for live log monitoring, go to the Observability section in Kibana. Under Logs, select Stream to view real-time PostgreSQL logs. Use filters to refine logs based on fields like message, host.name, or PostgreSQL database_name. By following these steps, now you have a powerful 1Place PostgreSQL monitoring system to access server performance, Terranscation logs, error logs, and etc. Thank you for watching how to install and configure 1Place monitoring system. You can use our product for a trial of 7 days. For any assistance, please contact us.